Tio Pablo started with one product, an authentic Mexican corn tortilla. That was 11 years ago, and today our staff produce 3 different sizes, and we recently launched chili-infused corn tortillas. Over the years, we've expanded the Tio Pablo Mexican food range hugely. We now import core ingredients, as well as a range of canned, refried beans, salsas, and chilies directly from Mexico.
Hola, ¿qué tal, Samantha? ¿Cómo estás? Buenas tardes.
Muy bien, ¿y tú? Buenas tardes.
Now we rely heavily on fiber to run our business. It's the backbone of our connectivity. Our orders arrive online via supermarket portals, email, and our website. Our dispatch, payroll, security, procurement, they all use fiber. That means everything just happens without interruption. The phone system runs entirely over fiber, which saves money because we don't need traditional landlines. Okay, so we've got it on Vimeo. Social media is a powerful tool for a company of our size. Customers want visual recipes to show them how to cook Mexican dishes, so we use photos and video extensively on our website, Facebook, and Instagram. We wouldn't be where we are today if we didn't have today's technology. Fiber is the way we connect with the rest of the world. It has to be reliable, and it has to be fast, and it is.